everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. I apologize, I've got a pressure washer going in the background, so hopefully you guys can hear me. This won't take too long. So this is a 2022 Adams 2-horse straight load bumper pole. This is practically new. So a couple of things, it's got the aerodynamic nose, it's got the gravel guard on the front, it's got the 2 windows in the dressing room. The dressing room is actually a good size, so I think it's got some added footage to the dressing room. This is definitely bigger than most standard 2-horse straight load. It's got 2 drop down windows with bars on both sides, head side of each horse. Full running boards. It's got the extruded side, which is an upgrade, that extruded side there. Basically, that should keep the trailer stronger, and if you tie a horse to the side of the trailer, it protects the side of the trailer. Only thing I'm going to really point out is it's missing a little plastic cap. Those are simple. You can get those on Amazon, or you could call Adam and order a set because there's one missing on the other side. So that's the only thing that I can really point out wrong on this side of the trailer, is it's missing that plastic cap that goes over your lug nuts. Alright, so it's a ramp with Dutch doors. It is an all aluminum trailer with a pressure treated wood floor. So it's got the ramp and Dutch doors. It is the manger model. So it's got the 2 mangers, it's got the walk-through in the middle with a door. It's always challenging to video straight loads, so I've got it expanded. It's got 2 roof vents. See those drop windows? It's got plenty of ties. It's got a tie in the bottom of the manger, and then it's got 2 ties up on each corner. So plenty of ties. It's got padded divider on both sides, and it's got padding on both the outsides of the trailer. A few things, there's some scratches here, just little scratches. I think they hauled something other than a horse in here and it scratched the wall. So that's kind of what happened there. It's not on the other side. We just washed this trailer. If you see water in it, it is definitely not leaking. So padding is all the way around and in good shape. This trailer is 7'6" tall. I'm gonna say 6'8" wide. I don't know that for sure. I'll definitely put the measurements in my ad, but looking at it, not measuring it, that's what I'm gonna make an educated guess. So it does have windows in those Dutch doors to the back. You can see that cap's missing on this side as well. So you're missing 2 plastic caps. It's the only thing that I can point out on this trailer that is wrong. Pretty minimal. No scratches on the outside, no issues like that. I think I said roof vents. Yeah, I know I did. All right, so dressing room. Let me try to show you this dressing room. Full running board on this side as well. All right, dressing room is pretty good size. Let me step in because it does have the places inside for your bridles and saddles. And that's underneath each manger. Nice window, actually 3 windows. 3 windows all the way around in the dressing room, which is quite nice. Spare tire. Carpet on the floor. Walk-through door to the horse box. So 2022 Adam 2-horse straight load with ramp and Dutch doors. White in color, excellent shape, 1 owner. All right, guys, this is Carolina Trailer Sales. My name is Ashley. Best way to reach me is text me or call 828-773-4500. Details and the price will be on our website, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.